I noticed yours, repairing lives and restoring families.
Yeah.
So what you just described is really a prime example of the effort that's going into repairing lives.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the restoring families aspect of it.
Yeah. I know a lot of the organizations, a lot of corporations, a lot of churches are going, we want to invest in the family, we want to invest in the children. And I'm going, absolutely, so do we. And to do that, I need to invest in the parents of Northwest Arkansas that are wanting to change their lives. 54% of our clients have one or more children. Mm-hmm. So we know these are the parents of Northwest. These are the parents that are going, give me an opportunity, and I want to provide for my own child. Like, I don't want to be on a government assistance. I want to go, can you get me a job? 70% of our clients that show up do not have a job. And we know, like we talked about, over 70% that are on probation and parole are employed. So we know they're getting jobs, and they're sustaining those jobs at a good level. And so that's exciting, because I don't want to just provide for your kid. I want you to provide for your kid. So I need to teach you to provide for your kid. If that means I need to take you through CCOA's class on financial stability, and then I need to take you through Goodwill's professional development class. And so I need to, teach you to be able to sustain yourself and your family, because that is being a good steward and being maximum impact in somebody's life.